Hi everyone. Today I'm going to discuss something quite important with all of you. I'm starting with a new series where I get technical recruiters, some career coaches, some industry experts, some employees of world's largest organizations like Amazon, Facebook, Google, Microsoft, etc., and some technical recruiters to help you build your resumes. Resumes, as we know, are quite important when it comes down to shortlisting of potential candidates. They often tend to add too much or too less on their resumes. So, to help you improve on that aspect, I've gathered a team of various individuals who've achieved great heights in their professional career and now are willing to pass on their wisdom. So, the first episode of this series, we're going to go live on 31st January, 6 p.m. IST. Alright, so you can mark your calendars right now for this. And today I'm going to talk about what we're going to do in that, who are going to be our panelists for this session, etc. So, with this series, my mission is to put out there a diverse view of how do technical recruiters see your resumes, what do career coaches recommend, and what those people who have recently gone through interviews put on their resume. So, the first panel we have correctly aligns with this agenda since the panel consists of 4 individuals who all have achieved amazing heights in their careers. So, in the first episode, I've decided to go organization based. So, recently I put out 2 interviews of Shreya and Sanskriti who bagged an intern at Amazon. I'm sure you learned a lot from it. So, this time I'm branching it out to another great organization, one of the largest of the world, Microsoft. So, all the 4 panelists have had experience at Microsoft. 2 of these are currently interning with Microsoft UK. One of them was an intern last year and has received a PPO from Microsoft for this year. And the final panelist is currently an L62 at Microsoft India. If I start putting all of these individuals down to just few words, I think it will be complete injustice to their achievements. So let's start by looking at their respective LinkedIn profiles. So the first panelist we have is Salman Chishti. Salman is a great individual who has his own YouTube channel as well, where he discusses about his experiences, his lifestyle, etc., and general guidance to all those looking to make a great career in technology. I know him through the Microsoft Loan Student Ambassador program and has always been up for helping others. He's currently working as an intern at Microsoft UK. He's currently a cloud solutions architect. In the past, he has worked as Azure Mixed Reality Demo Developer Specialist, and he's also a Student Ambassador UK lead. He's been involved with Microsoft for such a long time. He's a Microsoft certified trainer, a Microsoft Launch Student Ambassador, as I mentioned previously. He's a .NET member, a local guide for Google, a TechSmith influencer. As I keep on scrolling down, it's a long list. As I said, putting it down into a few words would have been complete injustice to his diverse profile. Our next panelist for the event is going to be Simba Nyakambangwe. If you're watching this, Simba, I hope that I pronounced that right. He's an intern currently with Microsoft, an associate consultant. He's the founder of Tande ZW. And again, let's look at his great achievements again, because I'm so fascinated by all of these panelists. He's a co-founder at Tande ZW, an associate consultant intern at Microsoft, previously a student ambassador at Coventry University, a sales and marketing associate at Maxitiles, a summer intern at Frampel Tech. So next panelist is somebody I really admire a lot. She's achieved great and has contributed to open source so much. It's Khushbu Verma. She's just amazing. I'll say that. She's currently a product intern at Adobe, a C++ instructor at UACIT. She was a software development engineering intern at Microsoft last year summer and received a PPO there as well. She was a community intern from Procade, a teaching assistant in C++ and Java for coding blogs. She was the bronze winner of the IT Graduate of the Year award at Women Tech Global Awards. This was an amazing achievement again, and you can check her entire profile out from the link in the description below. And finally, we have with us Vipul Agarwal, who's currently an L62 at Microsoft. He previously worked with Adobe for 5 years and recruited technical talent for Adobe, and currently he's at Microsoft. So again, he has had various patents, and he's a software engineer. He was previously at Adobe. He was a project manager at a school app. He's a founder at the Chemist app, a project manager at UAS Systems, computer vision engineer at Cosmoneo. So great to have him on board as well. So I hope that you like the panelists and you will submit your resumes from the link in the description below. So I just request this that when you're submitting your resumes, please hide out your personal information. So make sure that you submit your resume if you want to get it reviewed. I hope that you like the panelists. And if you want to keep updated on the series, you can click that subscribe button and the bell icon. Please make sure you check back on 31st January 6 p.m. to see whether your resume got reviewed or not.